Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you how you can remove your background, okay, in a very easy way. Within a second you will be able to remove your background in Canva. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, we have to download like whatever image you want to use, you can use. Okay, so I'm going to download Virat Kohli image right now. So Virat Kohli, and for an example I am going to use any image like this one for an example. Okay, I'm going to use this image, so I have to download this image. Download now .jpg like this. Okay, so over here I have to select YouTube thumbnail, or else you can choose from here. You have to select on click, and after that photo editing, or else you can use video one also. Okay, so I'm going to select video one. I have to select this one. After that I'm going to use like thumbnail or any other Facebook video or any other, whatever, however you want, you can select this. Okay, I'm going to use this one, so I'm going to select this. After that, over here you have to put image. How you can put that image? For an example I'm going to use how you can put this image. You have to go to this option upload. Okay, over here you have to select this option upload file. Now whatever image you want you can use. Okay, like I'm going to use this one, so over here it will automatically upload. Okay, so I have to choose this image, and after that right click on this photo and set as background. Okay, so now if I want to remove this background, how we can remove this background? So now how you can remove background, like you can see a greenery part, whitish part. So I just want this Virat Kohli only, and I don't want any background. Okay, so you just have to click on this photo, and after that you just have to click once in this BG removal word. If you are going to click on this, it will automatically remove all the background. It will just keep Virat Kohli over there. As you can see, it's so smooth, even there's no mistake. Okay, and as you can see there's no background also. In a very easy way you can remove your background in Canva. So if you like this video and if you get this informative video, then please subscribe our channel, like this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care.